Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to select lasso tool in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then click the tool, right click on your mouse and click lasso tool or press shortcut key L, then select and see this single selection. Again, use single selection and use multiple selection. Remove selection. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.